Okay, so we've wired the amount into the CoinZoom account. Now we have to turn dollars into USDT before we can send it into IPC. I want to make sure that the USD is selected here. I'm going to search for USDT. I'm going to search for USDT. There it goes. And so it's showing up here. I'm going to go down here to make sure that the buy is clicked. It tells me I have $7,500 available to purchase, and I'm going to put that amount here. Don't worry about the 25, 50, 75%. That's if you had a certain amount in there of like Bitcoin or something, and you want to say, I want to use 25% of my amount there, or 50% of my amount there. I'm just putting the entire thing here under amount, and I'm going to click on buy USDT. You see here your order of $7,500 has been placed, and it says has been placed. Further notifications will be sent when your order is processed. And if you look here under orders, you will see that it's showing partially filled. It always says partially filled. It's showing here the volume, and I can click on the details, and it gives me the details. Okay, now even though if you go over here to orders, it's still saying partially filled. I don't know when or if that ever goes away. It never seems to. If I go over to portfolio, it shows me I have 7460.42 after the cost of USDT. And so I'm going to click on send, and I have to select a wallet address, which I don't have one yet. So I have to create a wallet address. So I'm going to add addresses. I'm going to click on wallet. I'm going to go over to my IPC account, and I'm going to go to transactions, funding, and I want the TRC20 because that is USDT. Do not use BTC to send USDT. Your money will get lost. So I'm click on USDT, copy the address, go back over to my CoinZoom account. I'm just going to say, I'm just going to name this account TRC20 IPC. Well, I want the Tron network, not the Ethereum network. There's two types of USDT, one that runs on Ethereum, one that runs on Tron. We want the one that runs on Tron. I'm going to copy the address, and I'm just going to verify the first three and the last three. I'm going to submit. And now that that is gone, now I can go here and I can select that wallet address. And the amount of 7460.42. And I want the fee, which is a $5 fee, taken from the amount. And once I have that here, I'm just going to click submit. And it's just asking for me to verify Heather, and I'm going to send now. Authentication.
What is send some email?
842. Okay. Transaction has been submitted.